Everyone needs a place to live in. Let's travel to the UK and see where the British live in. In cities and towns, people usually live in flats. Some flats are big, some are small. There is a hall, a living room, a kitchen with lots of cupboards, shelves, a fridge and a cooker, a bathroom, and 1 or 2 bedrooms in a flat. Some people in the UK live in detached houses. Some people live in semi-detached houses. Such houses are with 2 doors for 2 families. Most houses in the UK have 2 floors. There are a lot of people in the countryside who live in pretty cottages with gardens full of flowers. British people say home, sweet home, because they love the places they live in. You can use because when you talk about the reason why you do something. For example, British people say, "My home is my castle," because they feel safe in their houses. There are many castles in the UK too. This is a Windsor castle. It's very big and beautiful. It's one of Queen Elizabeth's homes. Yes, her home is a real castle. Now, let's come back to Russia and see unusual homes. They are homes of famous Russian people of the past, such as artists, composers, and poets. They are house museums now. Let's visit the House Museum of Leo Tolstoy, a great Russian writer. You can see a lot of old things there, such as books, pictures, chairs, tables, shelves, and lamps. People visit this house museum because they want to learn about Leo Tolstoy's life. Are there any house museums in the place you live in? So now you know about British homes and house museums in Russia. Also, you know when you can use because. It's high time to practice and do some tasks.